Hi guys, happy Wednesday.
Hi.
I have a helper that was supposed to be my helper wearing this getup, but she refused, so I had to put it on. But we've been learning about our bodies and our organs, and if we were in school, we would be each taking turns wearing this silly suit to show you where all your organs are. I think we've talked about our organ, the brain. And yesterday, you guys learned about your esophagus, and you talked about Macy, not yet. You talked about your small intestine and your large intestine, and we've talked about a few other organs. So here I am wearing the suit. On the back is where, right there, whoops, there we go. That is your kidneys, and that's what Macy was going to help me with and take them off when I need them to come off. But your kidneys are in your back, your lower back, right here, where they are. Okay, see,
Right
there they
here?
are. You have two of them, and we are going to really talk about those today. So I just wanted to you're not helping. Thank you. I just wanted to have a little fun with you guys today, hopefully get you to giggle by seeing this silly getup on me. And just know that if we were in school, one of you or more than one of you would be wearing this right now. So I am going to go over the vocabulary words with you that we need to understand when we learn about the excretory system today. The excretory system. So the first word is bladder. A bladder is a balloon-like sac in which urine collects before it is excreted from the body. So your urine, we don't usually call it that. We call it at your age pee. Even at my age, I don't usually say urine, but urine is your pee. And it is excreted, which means it comes out of your body. And that happens in your bladder. Do I have it here? Nope, bladder's not here. Okay. Then we have the word excrete, which is to expel or get rid of. Then we have the word regulate, which is to control something. If you regulate it, you control it. We have the word sweat. Sweat is moisture that comes out of your skin's pores due to exercise. So when you guys are running around during PE or outside at recess, you often sweat. And that's your body getting rid of your waste. We'll talk about that. And then the word toxic, which means poisonous. If something is toxic, it is not good for you. It is poisonous. So the purpose of today's lesson is to learn about two more organs, part of the excretory system that filter waste from the blood. Listen carefully to learn the names of these two organs, okay? So I will start. Here's Nick Nutri, and he is showing the lower digestive system right here. Let me get down. The large intestine. He's showing that to you right there in the picture, okay? You all have one. Everybody has one. So, humans are exposed to lots of toxins or poisons in the environment. Your body may take in toxins through the air or through food that you eat. If these toxins hang around in your body too long, they become toxic or poisonous to you. The amazing human body has ways of getting rid of these toxins before they become harmful. Last time we met, you learned how your digestive system works to process food into usable nutrients, separating the nutrients from the sometimes toxic waste materials. At the end of the digestive process, some food is not completely broken down by the intestines. The leftover solid waste, called feces or poop, is pushed out of your anus at the end of the digestive tract. Bowel movements contain your body's solid waste. But what happens to the body's liquid waste? The liquid, not the solid. Where does it go? Some waste leaves your body through your skin. Other waste is processed through a system like the digestive system. Just as the digestive system processes solid waste, there is a system that processes the liquid waste. It is called the excretory system. To excrete means to expel or get rid of something that is not needed. Toxins or poisons are definitely not needed in your body. Here we have a picture of a boy sweating. Let's begin by talking about the liquid waste that leaves through the body, through your skin. We call it sweat. So sweat is liquid waste. It's what we don't need anymore. That's why it's coming out of your body. What is another name for sweat? It is also called perspiration. You already know that your skin is the largest body organ. It covers your entire body surface. Sweat glands below the surface of the skin help rid the body of waste through perspiration. When you perspire, water, salt, and other waste flows through these microscopic sweat glands. So microscopic means you can't see them unless you see them with a microscope. They are excreted from all parts of your body. If you do not bathe for a while, you will begin to smell this waste as it builds up on the surface of your skin. That's why it's important to make sure you bathe, if not every day, every other day, especially in the summertime, because we sweat more and it builds up and it really causes not a very good smell. The body's main liquid waste is urine or pee. Urine is cleaner than spit. Yes, boys and girls, you heard it from me. You can tell your moms and dads that Miss Milk said your pee is cleaner than your spit. Right now, I would be listening to all of you giggle in school, and I really miss that. Unlike the saliva in your mouth, urine contains no bacteria. It is about 96% water and 4% waste. This means that if urine were divided into 100 parts, 96 parts would be water and only 4 parts would be waste. Like feces or poop, urine passes through several different organs as it makes its journey through your body. Today, we will take a look at the organs that are part of the excretory system. Here we have the kidneys, and even though we're looking right here at this person, it kind of looks like on the front, you could see that there they are, the kidneys are on the back, okay? The kidneys are the primary organs, which means the main organs of excretion. Everybody stand up for a minute so that I can make sure you know where your kidneys are located. Let your arms hang by your sides. Your kidneys are in line with your elbows, at your back above your waist. Reach around and place your hands just above your waist on either side of your backbone. Your 2 kidneys hang near your spine, one on either side of your backbone, and in the middle of your back. Your bottom ribs and layers of fat protect the kidneys. Do you have a pretty good idea where they live? Okay, let's sit down and see how they work. So if you were to stand, you would look at where your elbows hit. Here's my elbow. And you would reach, your kidneys are right about here. Okay, that's where they are in your body. Arteries and muscular tubes carry blood from other parts of your body to your kidneys. These 2 dark red bean-shaped organs act like washing machines for the blood, the cleaning it of waste and toxins. As blood flows to your body cells, it passes through the kidneys where millions of tiny microscopic filter tubes capture the waste products and excess or extra water. Here we have Nick Nutri with a strainer and some pasta and a pan. Let's see what he's doing. Think of a kitchen strainer or sieve. Have you ever seen cooked pasta poured into a strainer? The liquid flows through and the strainer catches the pasta. Your kidneys act like that kitchen strainer. They filter or separate the liquid waste from the blood. Clean blood travels to your body cells, while the liquid waste called urine is collected in each kidney. So your kidneys collect your urine. Here we have an up-close picture, minimize that a little bit, of your kidneys and your uterus and your bladder right there and your urethra. Okay, so we're going to talk about this right now. They are kind of bean-shaped, kidney bean-shaped, right? Urine drains out of both kidneys through 2 tubes called ureters. Right there, those tubes right there. See them? The ureters lead the kidneys to your urinary bladder. The bladder is a muscular storage bag located in the lower part of your abdomen, which is below your waist. When it gets full, we can feel it. This stretchy sac-like muscle stores urine. It is a little like a water balloon with 3 openings, the 2 ureters that connect to the kidneys, and the 3rd opening at the other end of the bladder called the urethra. As urine passes into the bladder through the ureters, the walls stretch and the rubbery balloon begins to fill. Nerve endings in the muscular bladder walls send signals to the brain that the bladder is full and about to burst. That's when you know it's time to urinate or to pee. Urine passes out of your body through the urethra, the tube at the bottom of the bladder, just like the anus. The urethra has a muscular gate called a sphincter muscle that opens and closes to let the urine pass. When the sphincter muscle is tightened, urine stays in the bladder. So that's like when we're on a bus for a field trip and someone says they have to pee, and we say, hold it. You're really tightening that muscle. This way nothing comes out. When it is relaxed, urine is released. This is a voluntary muscle, meaning that you are able to control its opening and closing. But you need to listen to your brain when it tells you that it's time to go to the bathroom. The excretory system works the same for both boys and girls. The only difference is the length of the urethra. The urethra is longer in boys than it is in girls. So we all have the same body organs in our body, okay? The importance of drinking water. We all know that water is very important and healthy for us, so let's talk a little bit about it. In addition to preparing liquid waste for removal from the body, the kidneys also regulate or control the amount of salt and nutrients in the blood. They help to maintain a state of balance in the body by controlling the amount of water your body loses, balancing the amount of water excreted with the amount of water kept in the body. If you have too much water in your body, you may feel bloated or swollen. If there's too little water in your body, you may become dehydrated or dried out, feeling tired. Dehydration can cause serious damage to your body. That is why it is important to drink lots of water, never letting your body dry out. Let's name all the different parts of the excretory system. The excretory system is made up of kidneys, which are on your back, your bladder, which is that stretchy sac, and the 2 tubes that connect them, the ureters, and the urethra, the final tube in the process. It may appear less complicated than the digestive system, but it is just as important for filtering the blood and helping your body get rid of toxic substances. You probably know that liquid waste is excreted from your body a bit more frequently than solid waste. That means that we know that we usually pee more than we poop, so we have to get rid of the liquid waste a little bit more. That's because it does not stay in the bladder as long as solid waste can stay in the rectum. Here's a girl showing that she is big and strong. We've been talking a lot about getting rid of the body's waste, but along the way you have learned that the body turns a lot of the food that you eat into nourishment and provides your body with energy that it needs to grow and repair itself. What are the good parts that are carried through your blood and stored in your body called nutrients? Well, next time we'll find out just exactly what nutrients are and what you can do to make sure that you are getting enough of them. See you next time, and until then, make sure that you listen to your body and respond when it sends you messages. That's really important for maintaining good health. Okay, guys, hope you had a little fun with seeing this get up. If I'm back for another read aloud, I will put it on again, or maybe have Macy put it on. So if you can tell me one thing that you learned from today's read aloud, that would be great. Okay, bye, guys.
Can I take it off?
Yeah, say bye.
Wait, bye.